This way. No, around.
Okay, this is July 15th, 2016. This is Cairo TV from downtown Snoqualmie, Old Town, right next to the train depot. And it is possible to get digital TV over the air, but the location of the antenna and the orientation is critical for reception. If I move the antenna slightly, the signal will drop out.
Is this just another room for you to mess up?
Maybe an extra bedroom or something.
That's your argument? A bedroom for my mom?
I'm just saying, if we're on top of each other all the time, this isn't going to work.
Okay,
And there are more channels available, but Cairo
We're at work.
is probably the one you're going to want to target for.
No coffee for me. And besides, it doesn't matter. Eddie's not even here. We can talk about sex as much as we want.
What are you talking about? Eddie is everywhere. You know that.
So you think we need a bigger place?
Well, those are your place. We're just going to be.
Hot and nice. This is her baby, and I just have to do everything I can to support her. When we were over doing the layer treehouse in Lincoln, they said, "Cash go food layer treehouse." The layers were our clients from our Texas size treehouse. And once marketing gave us the word, I rounded up my crew and trekked out here. And let me tell you, we had such
As this would be.
Right.
Ops, stop. Student plugging up. At 9:14.
but has ended up, as you can see, in the hands of police or on the ground where you are.
Lastly, no one's confirmed that. There's no clear angle of the explosion.
What about outliers and other cameras?
Way ahead. Downtown, so the.
What about? Trebek is right.
Exploded, that would.
What if, in life, we let our inner child do the talking?
Knock, knock. Come in. I gave you a Christmas present. Oh, thank you. Ooh, it's a nice TV. Thank you. I love it. I'll go get your present. And you hear them the most. You press this to turn on a different channel. You press this to make it loud. You press this to make it
Okay, a second.
There's your present. A pencil? You didn't even wrap it. Oops.
Appears to be suicide, yes. That's the stage of Rebel
11-year-old suicide bomber.
I have no
We're happy to help. Why'd you call us?
initial tests indicate the explosive.
Bought text up the streets.
Exactly. And you, in this case, with ATF November.
And ATF, they
Well, not so much.
Looks like the circuit had a wireless receiver. Also on parts of a smartphone.
I've seen this before. Phone acts as a dead man's switch. If it can detect changes in anything it monitors, kaboom, bomb goes off.
Well, what kind of changes are we talking about?
Anything. Pick an app. Change the GPS, change of altitude.
It explodes. It shows even if the bomber doesn't pull the trigger, the bomb still goes off.
means that he was forced to do it.
I have other witnesses that say that he was with another child.
He could be wearing a vest too.
I mean, this is downtown Los Angeles. This kid has to show up on camera somewhere.
We lose him 1 block from the explosion.
Got hit on one of the men from Pershing Square. Name is Pratam Mandal. CIA believes he's an